Kirsten. I'm so bored. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make my imaginary friend. What's his name gonna be? I don't know. His name's gonna be Carol. This is gonna be Carol. My imaginary friend's name is gonna be Carol. Who are you?
You just made me. What are you talking about? My name's Carol.
Hi.
I'm your imaginary friend.
I love you.
Ow. So, what are we doing today? Where are you going? You can't leave me. I'm nothing without you. You're my creation.
Don't leave me.
And then she says something else in front of different
Master, creator, don't leave me.
She says to certain people whatever she wants.
Please don't leave me.
Herself look good.
I need you. I'm nothing without my creator. So, yeah. Well, this is our first video. She's not really imaginary.
Hello.
But we're going to make some videos. Hope you guys like them. We're going to try.